Today has been a funny day. We are at Disneyland Sea. Right now we are getting on the bus. This is it. This is the bus that goes to Disneyland Sea. We've already been there once today, but we're trying to do something a little sneaky. There is a swimming park. It's a city swimming park that's close by. It's pretty close to Disneyland Sea. These girls really want to go swimming. So it's just me and the girls. We're gonna go and try to get into the swimming park. That has nothing to do with Disneyland. We're just gonna take this and then walk over so that we get the free ride because we're super cheap. And the website was all in Japanese. We have no idea if they're gonna let foreigners go in there. Girls, what do you think? Think we're gonna be able to get in? Maybe. There's Disney Sea right there. That's where most people are going. We are gonna go this way and leave the park. Look at that, we found a giant cherry blossom tree. And then over here we've got like a skate park. Check it out. A real Japanese skate park. Keep on walking, see if we can get to the right place. I think we're getting close. I think it's that giant building right here. Hey, there's a park over here. It's like an exercise park. Hey, is this a phone booth? Whoa. Whoa! Look at that telephone. This is how you sit in it, apparently. That's cool. This is a fun adventure. We're like, even though we're right next to Disneyland, there's a giant park for kids and it's all locals that are here. So this is cool. I really hope that we can get into the swimming park. But if not, we can go to the playground and play. We can go to the skate park. I don't know. I feel bad for Lincoln that they didn't come with, don't you think?
Yeah, because he would have loved the skate park. No, he's never been.
Yeah, he would have loved this place. And he would have caught lots of Pokemon. That's one thing about Tokyo that's been cool so far for Lincoln is he's caught so many Pokemon. In fact, Leslie and Lincoln right now are going to walk to a couple of parks near our house and they're catching Pokemon. Near our house, near our hotel, and they're catching Pokemon. So hopefully this is the place. Look how big it is. That'd be crazy if that was all swimming park. Oh, look at that kid. That's some skills right there. Eating ice cream. That thing only has 2 wheels. That's cool. I don't know if we're going the right way, but I see a golden statue over here. That says swimming pool this way. Yep. Okay, we're going that way. That's what it says. Is that what you read too?
Yeah.
Sports park, swimming pool. We're going the right way. Oh, look, swimming pool. Uh-oh, there's orange cones. I don't know any Japanese, so you guys tell them what we need to do, okay?
You've been doing all the Japanese. They go like,
Konnichiwa. Arimasu. I kind of feel like every time you're speaking Japanese, you just say, arimasu, arimasu. I don't know what that means, but they say it all the time. Oh, open. Oh, no cleats, okay, guys? Does that look fun? That looks fun. I see a little tiny baby slide. Let's see if we can get in. Swimming pool entrance tickets upstairs and table tennis room. Sounds good. So we didn't know where we were supposed to go, so we asked those 3 kids that were sitting there. Of course, they didn't speak any English, and so I pulled out my Google Translate app and typed in, where do we go in order to swim? And then they looked at it and I said, and then they pointed upstairs. So thank you, cell phones, for helping us get around. It's kind of fun to do stuff that's not just touristy. We made it. Luckily, there's a girl that speaks English and she's super helpful with the girls. So all those people that are traveling international and you're super worried about, oh, we can't go do anything that regular people would do. No, just do it. There's good people everywhere. Apparently we have to wear hair nets. So we gotta go get one of those. We'll see you guys in a few. I'm gonna go swimming. I don't think we can take cameras in there. Okay, that was awesome. I'm gonna tell you more about it, but I need to get changed for now. I think we're gonna come back here tomorrow. It's so cool, but they wouldn't allow me to bring cameras in. If you had tattoos, you couldn't come in, but really cool. Let me get changed real quick. That's where we just swam. Just when I walk past her. All right, goodbye, swimming place. What do you think about that place?
That was cool.
What did you like about it?
I liked how big it was.
So we had a great time. My favorite was the steam room. They had a steam room that was great. You could just sit in there, sweat in the humidity. It was great. And then I think we're gonna come back here tomorrow. They had an area for rehab for older people or for people that have leg issues, they need a rehab. They have this like a regular place to swim laps. We didn't go in that one. And then they just had like a kid area with like really, not even a kid area, it's an adult area too, with like weird bubbles coming out of different places. Oh, and they had music playing that was like really peaceful piano music. It was like Disney music too. So I have to believe that somehow Disney, as part of an agreement of building Disneyland here, made this giant community center for people because it was super cozy and nice and huge.
We can go to the park just for like a few minutes.
Okay, let's go to the park for a few minutes. Okay, I'm gonna do it. I'm holding all this stuff. Here we go. All right, London, your turn. Man, this thing is massive. Look at this. This is just the lower level, and then there's the upper level up here. Goodbye, Disneyland. Goodbye. The plan now, instead of taking the bus back, which would have taken us right back to where we needed to go, back to the hotel, the problem is there are no taxis at our hotel, and there's no restaurants and no food. What I will say, if you're ever coming from America and you want to stay somewhere, don't stay at the Disneyland Celebration Hotel, the Wish or the Discovery. They don't have food, nobody speaks English there, and it's just not that convenient. So
it's pretty though.
It is pretty. They have good pictures on the wall, but it's pretty much it. Now we're gonna go to Domino's Pizza and get some pizza, and then we're gonna take it back to the hotel.
Daddy, I don't want to go there.
That's where we're going.
Wait, the far one?
It's the same one we went to earlier.
Oh no, I really don't.
Yeah, we have to. We'll just get it and we'll take it to go. Pizza, pizza. The Domino's has some interesting pizzas, so check this out. They really like mayonnaise here. Mayo rich. Look at all the mayo. A deeper, more complex mayo. I like the tropical, that it has pineapple on it, but I'm not sure I like the corn idea. This one's new. Mayo rich. Oh. There's like 4 types of mayo on it. This is how they deliver them. They've got these little carts here, and they drive these things all around town delivering pizzas. So cool and funny. So it's nighttime here. It's late. This is the latest that we've stayed up in 3 days in Japan because we've been so jet lagged, but the swimming really helped. I know a lot of you guys are gonna be like, oh, come on, you're in Japan, go get some sushi, go get something good. Our hotel has nothing. So for the last few days, we really haven't eaten much interesting stuff. Right now, we're getting some food that we'll actually eat, then we'll get some sleep and be done. All right, this has been quite the adventure. We couldn't get a taxi. We couldn't get an Uber. I have to talk really quiet because it's respectful here. But we got a bus, and I really hope that it takes us to our hotel. It's questionable at this point. Thank you to Google Maps for telling us that this bus might take us. We're getting some new passengers, and there's like a billion of them. This thing is gonna be packed. There's so many people. London's back there. She's fallen asleep. She's so tired. So there's gotta be like 100 people on this bus, no joke. It is packed. And it's silent. Nobody's talking. Okay, apparently Bay Mall is the popular one. We just lost all of our people. That was so many people. We're getting close, Claire, I promise. I know you're tired. I saw you dozing off back there. I see it. It's right there. That's the building.
Yay, which stop are we on?
I think we're just gonna get off at whatever the next one is. Okay, London. Let's go, London. Come on, we're ready. We're ready to go. We're off that way. That way. Thank you. Let's go inside and eat this pizza and party all night.
I was scared that I would be asleep.
Yeah.
And you would think that we were following you, and you would leave us.
Just like when I left my phone on the taxi earlier?
Yeah, and we'll just stay on there for like an hour and be like, where's Dad? And people
I don't know how I would find
English.
you. Here we are, Disney.
Yeah.
Get some better restaurants, Disney Celebration Hotel Wish. Push the button. I want to show everybody what it sounds like. Okay, get ready, guys. Mickey Mouse talks to us. Listen. Okay, push 4. Push 4. Okay, listen for Mickey. This is a cool elevator though, like look at the ceiling. We made it. It was sketchy, but we made it. All that work for these tiny pizzas. Cheese, you got cheese.
They're so tiny.
There it is. How you doing, Lincoln? Did you miss us?
I'm tired.
I bet. So there's a swimming pizza adventure. Hope that you're excited about that. That's why you came here to this channel, is to watch that stuff. Oh, we did get this at Disney Sea today. So we went to Disney Sea today and it was really fun and really funny actually, but we didn't film any of it. We just enjoyed it. And I think if we've learned anything from different YouTubers, it's that sometimes you just need to enjoy the experience and not film stuff. And that's what we did. We had a great time. So sorry that we didn't show you Disney Sea, but hopefully you like the pool and this place. Lincoln still got his cough. Get well soon, Lincoln.